Going in the circle.
I just want you to come home, no matter if it's late at night.
Are you talking?
I know you saying you working, but baby boy, this feeling ain't right.
Hey guys, I'm back. It's been a while, but not as long as my first hiatus, so we cannot be mad at that. Let's not even talk about it. Let's not. Today's video is gonna be a hair review. It is my first ever hair review. It's the first one on my channel, first one I've ever done, and I'm so proud that it's this particular company because I've used their products before. Like, I've purchased from them before, and I 100% back up everything that I say in this video. I don't feel like I'm just saying something for YouTube. Like, I actually believe everything I'm saying, and I 100% support this company. So, you know, I'm a fan. The company is called WowAfrican.com, and it's an online, basically, wig and hair site. So I know they definitely sell bundles as well. So wig and hair. They don't have any storefronts or anything as far as I know. So everything that you want to buy from them, you get from online, and it'll be shipped to you. I do know that they're located overseas. I'm not exactly sure where, but nevertheless, I don't want you guys to worry, because I know sometimes you hear overseas and you're automatically like, think I'm gonna pass. But no, this company is so worth it. I first ran into them about a year ago on Instagram, and you know, I was like, wow, like, you know, like, okay, like, they got a lot of wigs. And from the Instagram, I ended up on their site, and from their site, I ended up on YouTube watching like influencers talk about the brand and the wigs. Most of them, you know, were in partnership with the company, so it was kind of like, okay, well, you know, do I trust it? Do I not? What do I say? I still ended up buying a wig, obviously. I bought my first one with them last year, Thanksgiving time. They were having a huge sale, and I just couldn't resist. It's actually that baby right there. You see her? Right here, the black unit. And the sale was just amazeballs. I ended up getting her, and she was everything I wanted at the time. Still is everything I want. She's my go-to. If I've got to go out, I'm slapping her on. No glue, no nothing. And I feel amazing in her. Her hair quality is still the same. She has little to no shedding. And I'm an avid plucker. Like, I literally probably pluck my part every time I put it on, because I just feel like, you know, something shifted, whether it be my head or the hair. I pluck it every time I put it on. And I haven't seen it. There's no damage to it. None of that. I literally love it. I wash it. I condition it. I air dry it. Like, I treat it like my kid, and it never fails me, guys. Never fails me. So when it came time to buy this unit that I have on right now, I had no hesitation. I was just like, let me get it. There was another sale, of course. Let me add that in there. There was a sale going on, and I purchased her, and I am obsessed. I love her. I originally made this purchase because I'm going to Miami this weekend, and I wanted something like super, super short. I'm definitely into short hair these days. I can't do the 20, 22, 24 inch. Like, I can't do it. I can't even do 14, maybe, to be honest with you. 14 is too much for me. Mind you, this is 14, but every time I wear her, baby, she's in a pony. But, yeah, I just can't do it anymore. I like my bobs. I like my short hair. I cut all my hair off, literally. I got like a little swoop going on, but that's about it. So when I seen this wig, I was like, this is perfect. Especially when you're going somewhere that's hot, somewhere that you know you're going to be a little bothered by, you know, the hair on your neck, the hair on your back. I just knew I had to get a bob. And then I know I wanted the wave because this is something that I can get wet and it's gonna like still look great. It's not gonna be like, oh, it's not something you can say you can tell was one straight and she just got it wet. it's gonna be, you know, still styled and really cute. So I cannot wait. I made this purchase on August 13th. Yes, I'm cheating. I have a cheat sheet right here. I made this purchase on August 13th, and it got delivered on September 27th. Like, that's when they shipped it out. Yeah. So I ordered it August 13th. They shipped it out September 27th, and I got it on August 3rd. So I'm gonna explain the time frame to you guys, because you guys are probably like, what? That's more than a month. Like, what? But I'm gonna explain it. So what I ordered was the pre-plucked messy wave bob, virgin Brazilian hair, lace front wig, and this is SKU number CBW20. I got 10 inches. If you guys do go on the site, I'll put the link below. The model is wearing, I believe, 14 or 12. 14. It might be 12, but I'm pretty sure it's 14. And I loved it on her, but like I said, I'm not feeling the hair. Like, I don't want that look. I'm not a long girl anymore. So I automatically did 10 inches. And because I did 10 inches, it added an extra 40 days to my wig. But just listen, in my head, guys, I ordered this back in August. I knew I wasn't going to Miami until October, so I really didn't mind. There was no need for it, you know, right then and there. So I was okay with that. I'm still okay with that. That's, you know, okay for me. The cap size I got was small to medium. I get it the same every time because in my head, I feel like it's going to stretch eventually. So smaller, better, you know, it'll work out. I got transparent lace, which ended up being, you know, which ended up being 40 days as well. So the fact that it was 10 inches and the fact that it was transparent lace was automatically 40. But remember, they're doing all of this for me, so this is nothing that I had to do on my end. I'm not complaining. And then an added bonus was I got the bleach knots, which was an extra 15 days, but I had already picked 40-day processes. 15 days was nothing for me. Like, bleach the knots, sis. Thank you. And that was great. I literally didn't put, you know, barely as much effort into this as I did any of my other units, whether it be real hair, synthetic hair. I literally am so pleased with this unit, guys. It's amazing. Overall, I spent $180 on this wig. Granted, it was a sale, so when you go on their site now, it's probably not going to be the same price no matter what you pick, no matter what length, no matter how many days. It's not going to be the same price, sis, and I'm sorry. But the good news is they're going to have a sale. There's a coupon code out there somewhere, and when they do, and when you find it, get this baby. So they sent me the wig in this box. This is their traditional packaging. WowAfrican black box. It came in a DHL, like a plastic envelope. And you can't be mad at that. If we could save the planet and not send these huge boxes, I'm with it. And actually, funny stories, I had my first box in them still. So I actually keep my wigs in these boxes anyway. So this size is perfect to stick on the shelf in my closet. And it'll just sit there until I need to put it back in it or take it back out of it. Inside of the box was the wig. It came in a set. Well, first it came in a hairnet. Let's add that. And then it came in like this satin bag that includes their logo, WowAfrican.com. I'm loving the little Afro girl though. Love it. And it's just a professional hair beauty plaza. That's what they call themselves. That is so bomb. Professional hair beauty plaza. WowAfrican.com. Am I a spokesgirl yet? Can I do it? Can I do it? Can I do it? But yeah, and then this plastic, the hair was also in this plastic. This has all the specs to the hair. And what else did I get? This just tells you about their referral program. And this Oh, you do have the option to return it. Of course, you can't have altered it. You couldn't have altered it, cut the lace, bleached it, put any product in it. Like, it had to be a straight out the box. You knew this wasn't what you wanted, and you sent it back. And it has to be basically their mistake. Like, it can't be because you ordered it and you didn't like it. It's not how it works. It has to be something they did. If they sent a 613 and you wanted 1B, like something on their end. That's the only way. And can't be mad at that. It comes with some hair care tips, but let's be honest, just treat it like it's your own hair. It's your baby. Once you pay this much money for it, it's your baby. And I installed this about 2 days. No, I installed this last night. I'm lying. 2 days ago. Oh my gosh. I installed this last night. So this install is literally 24 hours. 24 hours in. And I just did my makeup because I thought I was going out, and I'm not. So I love it. I love the hair. I literally love the texture. I love that it's so lightweight. I did something different than I usually do with all of my units. Usually with all of my units, I just put on a wig cap and just put it on. I don't do the whole 9 that, people do. But because I'm going on vacation and I don't want to literally lug around a whole thing of hair products, I decided to do the spray, like the freeze spray method. So with the wig cap, the freeze spray, the got to be glue and all that, I decided to do that, and I like it. Like, I love it. Like, it's not going anywhere, and I'm so excited. I cannot wait to get to Miami and just literally give this hair a run for its money. A run for its money. And I just know that it's gonna last. It's gonna be amazeballs. So when I tell you that this wig is worth the money, any wig from them is worth the money. The hair is great. The actual, like, wig itself, the way it's made is perfect. It's not bulky. Literally everything lays so flat. It's like, wow. And just, where else do you have the option to literally, like, when you're outside of working with like a person, like a stylist who actually does hair and makes wigs, where else do you see companies literally tailoring wigs for you, where they're like, we'll bleach the knots, we'll make the lace this, we'll pluck it, we'll do this? A lot of times those options aren't even offered to you, so you end up getting the wig and you have to do so much work. So when you find a gem like WowAfrican, who, for a price offers these options to you, for somebody who might be challenged with hair, but you love it. Like, you could put it on, but maybe the bleaching and knots is not your thing. Maybe you mess it up all the time, or maybe, you can't pluck your part right. Maybe it's not your thing. If you can have that done for you prior to the wig coming, I think it's worth it. Definitely work smarter, not harder. So if it's, a quick little couple dollars that you can add on and you get the wig and you can literally put on that night, why not? Why not, sis? Why not? So, I mean, when I speak on this company, I definitely back up everything I said. Like I said previously, it's not my first time with them. She's right here. She's right here. I'm probably going to get another baby the next sale, and so on and so forth. I definitely want me an all blonde unit, y'all, with some Russian blonde. Okay. But, definitely check out the link. I'm going to put it below. Check out their site. Check out other influencers. If you don't believe me, check out your faves who have worn their brand, who have put out wigs with the company, girls who just have worked with them and can literally vouch for the quality of this hair, because it's definitely something that you guys should experience, whether you have worn wigs your whole life or this might be your first unit. It's so worth it. WowAfrican.com. I cannot repeat it enough. WowAfrican.com is worth it. The money is well spent with them, and I'm just so happy. I'm so happy with all my products from them, and I just know this hair is gonna make my trip 10 times better. I'm probably gonna insert some pictures right after this video of how it looked when I first installed it 24 hours ago. How I basically got it to blend like this, and I didn't take a video of me putting it on or anything because, like I said, this was my first time doing this got to be glued method, so I'm not really confident in the way I do it yet, but I do like the way it turned out. Can't say it enough. I love it. I love it. I love it. All right, guys. Thank you for watching. Go shop at WowAfrican.com. Tell them I sent you. When they ask who referred you, say Indigo referred me so that they could reach out to me and I could tell them that I love their company. Ooh. Ooh. Play that back. Turbo, play that back. No, but literally, go shop with them. Check out what they got. Even if you don't make your purchase today, like I said, they are bomb with the sales. Last Thanksgiving, I got my wig on sale. They sent me some free fingernails, like it was some press-ons. They had it was like a spin thing. You could win extra stuff. Like, they do so many cool things. It's just like, why not? Why not purchase with them? Why not? Tell them I sent you. Wink, wink. Have a great day, guys. All right. Thank you for tuning in. I'll be back with another video. I'm not sure what it's going to be or when it's going to be loaded, but it'll be back. Stay tuned for all the pictures.